Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on app location access on your Android smartphone if you want to share location with apps that may be useful. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to go down and select the location tile. And then if you want to have location settings enabled or disabled, you can toggle this setting up at the top, whether you want to enable or turn it on or off. So if it's to the right, it means it's enabled. If it's to the left, it means it's disabled. And that's pretty much all you have to do. If you click on the See All option down here, you can see any apps that may have access to your location. And if you clicked on the app, you can select Use Precise Location as well for any particular app, or you can disable that option as well. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.